Using an asset mindset helps educators form learning partnerships with students in order to ensure that students experience meaningful and challenging curriculum. One important step in creating learning partnerships is being able to identify our students' strengths. In this TeachLab podcast clip, we talked with Professor Ilana Horn from Vanderbilt University. She described an effective practice that she used as an elementary school math teacher for identifying student strengths. It's called a roster audit.
One of the things that I've done that's been pretty effective, and it's not that hard to do, is to ask teachers to take their rosters of the classes that they're currently teaching and see if they can go through and identify a strength for each child. And there's really interesting things that surface from that exercise. Sometimes teachers realize things like, there are certain kids in my class that I haven't really talked to enough to be able to answer this question. Sometimes they recognize patterns in, I can say, I really recognize these kinds of strengths, but I have a harder time recognizing the strengths of my quiet kids. Or I get so upset with the kids who act out that I can only see them as the bad kids and I forget to look for what they have to offer. But I mean, it's sort of just a human truism in psychology that, like, we don't grow where we're not loved, right? And so if you don't have a connection with a child over something that is good about them, something that you like about them, something that you can, like, celebrate about them, you're not going to help them grow. That's just true of any kind of human development in any context. So I think that pressing teachers to just look at the kids in front of them right now and to see where their blind spots are, because we all have them.